Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Data Science Python interview question. So in this video we are going to solve two problems, and our first question reads, write a query that calculates the difference between the highest salary found in the marketing and engineering department, and we need to output just the difference in salaries. So we have table DB employee and DB department. So let's load our data. So DB employee equal to pd dot read excel, and then we will provide the file path and sheet name. So our sheet name here is DB employee, and then we'll run our code. Okay, so here in this DB employee we have employee information like ID, first name, last name, salary, and department ID. Okay, now our second table is DB department. So let's load our another table. So we will insert one more row here, and then DB department equal to pd dot read excel, file path, then sheet name. So sheet name is DB department, and then we will check our data. So here we have ID and department. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to merge our both the tables, because we need department from the second table, and then we need to find the difference between the highest salary. Okay, so let's insert one more row here. So df equal to, we will merge our data. So DB employee dot merge, and we are merging it with DB department, and we will provide the column name on the basis of which we are merging our data. So our left table is DB employee, and in DB employee we have department ID. So left on equal to department ID, and right on equal to ID. Okay, after that we'll run our code. So now we have the data from both the tables. Okay, so first what we will do here is we will find the maximum salary where department is equal to engineering, and then we will find the maximum salary where department is equal to marketing. As our question reads, we need to calculate the difference between the highest salary found in the marketing and engineering department. Okay, so let me insert one more row here. Okay, so let's filter our data TF engineer. So here we will filter our data, and we will apply filter on department where department is equal to engineering. So DF, and then in DF our department should be equal to engineering. Okay, let's check this. Now we have data for engineering department only, and we need to find the max salary. So DF engineering max is equal to DF engineer salary dot max. So now we are finding the max value from this data where department is equal to engineering, and then we will run this code. So the max value is 45,787. Now the same thing we will do for marketing as well. So DF marketing equal to, now we will filter our data by department, where our department equal to marketing. Okay. As you can see, we have filtered our data by marketing. Now we need to find the max salary from this data. So DF marketing. So DF marketing max equal to DF marketing salary dot max. So now we have found the max salary from this data where our department is equal to marketing. So we'll run this code. So as you can see, now the maximum salary where department is equal to marketing is 48,187. Our next step will be finding the difference between these two salaries. As we can see in our question, now we need to find the difference. So for that, what we will do, output equals to tabs and then DF engineering max salary minus DF marketing max salary. Now we have got the difference as well, which is 2400. So moving to our next question, which is, we have a table with employees and their salaries. However, some of the records are old and contain outdated salary information. So we need to find the current salary of each employee, assuming that salaries increase each year. And we need to output their ID, first name, last name, department, and current salary. And after that, we need to order our list by employee ID in ascending order. And our table name is MS employee salary. So let's load our data. So MS employee salary equal to, so first we will load our data, pd.read excel. Now we will provide the file location, FT, and then sheet name. So sheet name is MS employee salary, and then we will check our data. So here we have ID, first name, last name, salary, and department ID. So we need to find the max salary. So now what we will do here is, we will group by our data. So we will apply group by on ID, first name, last name, and department ID, and then we will find the max salary for each ID. So for that, our output equal to MS employee salary dot group by, and we are applying group by on ID, then first name, last name, and department ID. Okay. So we'll group by these columns, and then after that we will find the max of salary. So salary dot max. So by this way we will find the max of salary for each ID. Okay, so let's run this much of code first to check our output. So now we have got the highest salary for each ID, and now we need to provide name to this new column, which is our max of salary. So we will use to frame updated salary. Now as you can see, we have provided the name to this new column, and after that we will reset our index. So dot reset index. Okay, now we have reset our index. So now what we have to do is, after finding the latest salary, we need to order our list by employee ID in ascending order. So for that we will use sort values. So dot sort values, and we need to sort our values by ID in ascending order. So let's run this. Okay. Okay, so now we have got the updated salary for each ID, and we have sorted our ID as well. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.